If you've driven a car over the last 20 years, you may have heard about a job called a timing belt job or a timing belt and water pump job. Now, what is that? So you have two parts of your engine, the top part and the bottom part. One of them pushes the pistons up and down, the other one pushes the valves up and down. And they need to really work together so they don't run into each other. So what keeps them in time is a timing belt or a timing chain. Today we're just going to focus on the belt. The belt's a rubber component. It's clocked so that it keeps your engine running in perfect time. And that rubber belt will wear out, that rubber belt will stretch, and potentially the rubber belt could break if you don't change it in time. That rubber belt is also pivoting on pulleys, idlers. It has an adjuster that keeps the belt tight, and typically it's also running your engine water pump. So that's very important to keep your engine running cool. So why do we recommend them as a group, right? This is a timing belt, a water pump, and typically we'll recommend the idlers and the hydraulic tensioner assembly because we're only in there every 6-7 years or every 100,000 miles. We don't think those other components will last the extra 100,000 miles, and we've been in the business long enough to know that they most likely won't last. So anytime you need a timing belt change on your car, do ask about the water pump and the tensioners and the idlers. You'll end up saving money in the long run if you change them all together, and we do that here at A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos.